Hey everyone! Today, I want to dive into a hot-button issue that's been sparking a lot of conversations lately. We're talking about Zimbabwean opposition leader Nelson Chamisa's fiery criticism of the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, following the appointment of Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa as the new chair. Chamisa didn't hold back, folks. He took to social media to slam SADC, accusing the organization of straying from its democratic values and ethical foundations. Why? Because Mnangagwa's re-election in 2023 has been riddled with allegations of electoral fraud and human rights violations. In Chamisa's words, he questioned whether SADC is truly a community of values or a union of vices. That's a powerful statement. He criticized SADC for endorsing Mnangagwa, suggesting that it undermines the group's credibility and its supposed commitment to democracy and human rights. To give you some context, Chamisa pointed out the recent crackdown on opposition members, journalists and civil society activists in Zimbabwe. Over 160 people have been arrested since mid-June, with reports of torture, beatings and forced disappearances. Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch have been vocal about these abuses, urging SADC to take a stand. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema was noticeably absent from the recent SADC summit. This absence is widely seen as a sign of strained relations and growing regional tensions, especially given Hichilema's democratic values and disapproval of Mnangagwa's leadership. Chamisa's message wasn't just about calling out Mnangagwa or SADC, it was a rallying cry for transformation. He urged the SADC to turn into a community of values and stand as a bastion and institution of the oppressed, rather than a club of the oppressive and abusive. He believes that there's a generational duty to shift things and transform Africa. In his words, we must shape this world. That's a bold vision, and it resonates with many who are frustrated by the current political landscape. This situation highlights a significant challenge for SADC. Can it balance its commitment to regional stability with the need to uphold democratic principles and human rights? The international community will be watching closely to see how SADC navigates this complex issue. So, what do you think? Is SADC living up to its values? Or is Chamisa right in his critique? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.